Hi guys, my name is Ashri and this is Gadget 360. Likes, comments and views have long been a metric to see which post is working on Instagram, Facebook or for that matter any other social media platform. But seeing all those likes and views may be great for those who want to get a sense of what's trending and popular on these platforms. But it may be pressurizing for those people, especially young users, content creators or influencers who really value how many likes and comments they have received on their post. It may give them stress and anxiety for not gaining enough likes and views. In fact, a 2017 study showed that Instagram is the worst social media platform for young people's mental health. So to make people feel good about the time they spend on Instagram and Facebook, the company has released a new feature that lets you now hide likes and views on your post, so that whenever you scroll across your feed or somebody else come on your profile, they will no longer be able to see how many likes and views you have received on your post. Now in this video, I will quickly show you how to use this feature and enable it. So let's get started. Now before trying this out, just make sure you have updated your app to the latest version. Now the first option is by opening any of your posts on Instagram and tapping the three dots at the top and choosing hide like count from these options. You can also hide likes while posting on Instagram. Tap the advanced settings option at the bottom and enable hide like and view counts on this post. Once this is enabled, you will stop seeing how many people have liked your posts on the feed, but you can still tap here and check the number. And when you want to get your likes count back, you can just disable the feature by tapping unhide like count. You can also hide like counts on others' posts. Tap on your profile, then the hamburger menu at the top and go to settings, privacy and then post. And from there, enable the hide like and view counts feature. Now you won't see the total number of likes and views on posts from other accounts. Now this applies to all the posts in your feed. And if you also wish to turn off commenting on your Instagram post, just tap on these three dots on any of your posts and choose turn off commenting. Now to do this on Facebook, tap the hamburger menu at the top and scroll to the bottom. Tap settings. Now under newsfeed settings, tap reaction preferences and enable the feature on your post and posts from others. And to turn off commenting on your post, just go to that particular post and tap the three dots at the top and choose who can comment on your post option. You will get three options: public, friends and profiles, and pages you mentioned. Then tap done. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about this new hide like feature. And like always, if you like our videos, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss our videos.